This is my cosmetic repair to the Spooky Town Pirates Pub and Grub. I had found a broken one on eBay that was very inexpensive. What was important to me was that the animation and the lighting and sound still worked. Everything else I could repair or replace. I was happy to see that everything worked. Some of the items just needed to be glued back in place. Some of the other items needed to be repaired before they were glued in place. I had to put the peg leg back on one of these fellas. One whole side was missing some items. I was going to be able to replace those with other pieces. The hardest repair was going to be the mast. First thing I had to do was drill out the broken piece. That left me with a hole that I was going to be able to use some plastic tubing in. I have some plastic tubing that fits inside other sizes, and this would work for my mast. I was also going to build a crow's nest on it. This meant cutting some strip wood. I used the bottom of a measuring cup cut down for the crow's nest. I drilled a hole in it and then painted the entire thing brown. Then I needed to glue my wood onto the crow's nest. Once it was all on, I used a variety of stains to stain the wood. My mast and crow's nest was largely done. I still needed to add a sail and a flag. For the pirate on top, he had a missing arm. I had another arm in my bin that I could use, but the colors didn't match, so I had to mix up some purple paint. Then I was able to make everything match, and it looked like his arm was back. One of the things I have is a number of broken pirate ships. This gave me an ample supply of parts. I was able to use the sails and the flags, as well as some other pieces on this. I attached the sail to the mast that I had made, and then I attached the pirate's flag to the top of it. This gave me an entire mast that I think looked better than what came with it originally. I also fixed up some other parts left over from Lemax's quality control. I hid some lights and I repainted over some glue in other areas. On the side that had missing parts, I replaced them with some salvaged parts such as cannons and other things. Once I got the mast mounted in place, I was done with this build and ready to put it on my display. I was happy with how this came out and enjoy having it in my display. Maybe this will encourage you to try some repairs. Thank you for watching.